He's Dr. Mridul Malhotra. He's running the Nivaran Pathology Diagnostic Center since last 25 years. So on the occasion of 25 years, he is launching molecular diagnostic setup at Nivaran Diagnostic Center, Aliganj, Lucknow. Nivaran Pathology and Diagnostic Center is situated in the heart of the city of Nawabs. This is Lucknow, at Aliganj, near Sahu Agency, on Dead Men Road of GSI, near Original Science Center, or you can say near Nehru Vatika. So this is very much appreciable to the patient is on the main road, and he is doing all test pathology, radiology, by the collaboration of other doctors. Also, he is looking after the setup of a clinical pathology. He is doing biochemistry routine test, by autoanalyzers all hematological parameters, by 5 parts cell counter, which gives exact reports like eosinophils, which are noted here. Even the abnormal cells are noted in this machine. This machine is of Beckman Coulter from USA. It's a costly machine. That's why the CVC cost ₹500, but it gives very good result in comparison to other 3-part machine and 5-part machine. Records a standardized machine. Beside that, he is also doing automated bacterial culture by fluorescent turbidometry analysis. This is the latest technology which have brought, and report of this culture is given in only 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours, he is giving the report of a culture. And till before this machine, before this technology, the report was given after 2 days or even 3 days. Now, he is giving the report of culture in 4 hours, and even the name of the bacteria is diagnosed by this automatic system, and the colony count also comes here with drug sensitivity like gentamicin, cephalexin, syphilis, and all the routine drug, 1st generation, 2nd generation, 3rd generation antibiotics. Beside this, I have automated Wien analyzer, fully automated biochemistry, autoanalyzer, analyzer reader, immunofluorescent microscope doing QBC, and fluorescent tests like ANA, haptoculture method, and he has a routine microscopy. Also, he has just brought Apple microscope. Apple microscope is the latest microscope which have a screen of iPad, ICB slide. He can send the link to the physician also. To the patient also, he can see his own slide. Now, he can see the slide if he is in America or here. Also, he can see the slide, the link will come. He can see the slide. The technician will move the slide to and fro, and he can see all the slides. He can do the reporting from here, also from US. So this is a new technology. It can be seen anywhere, and the report can be given anytime. Anytime if the patient is in emergency. If he is in a meeting, he can see the slide. He will get this report immediately to the physician, also to the patient also. So this is all pathology, latest technology, and the histopathology. He is not doing, and histopathology is done by other doctor in radiology. He has ultrasound, all proofs are there, and done by Dr. R.B. Singh, ex-CMO, retired from Provincial Medical Services, and he has PNDT certified lab. His diagnostic center in PNDT certified under CMO Act. So he is doing the ultrasound. He has abdominal pro, transvaginal pro. He has echocardiography. Pro-echocardiography is done by Dr. Rakesh Jalota. He has TMT done by other cardiologist. He is also doing allergy testing. Dr. Vinay is doing. It can be done by blood or skin also. Beside that, he has PFT. He has digital X-ray immediate reporting is done, and he has ECG. His lab is NABL certified, quantitative lab closed system. So he is doing TrueNet, CBNet, and this is the thing he is launching here first time. Doing all the parameters of molecular diagnosis like dengue, malaria, hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus, even the load is given, the COVID also. BRCA1 genes, BRCA2 genes, HLA-B27. and all the parameters like human papilloma virus is also there, chlamydia is also there. So all the reports of molecular diagnosis is given in even same day. The test performed, the timing of the test is only 1 hour or 30 minutes, and the report is given same day until now in Lucknow. The reports are given 4th day, 5th day or 7th day. It was then in Hyderabad, Bombay and Delhi. So first time he is giving all the reports same day of molecular diagnosis which he is launching here for the first time after 25 years of clinical practice in the heart of Lucknow. Dr. Mridul Malhotra is MBBS doctor from GSVA Medical College, MD from King George Medical University, postdoc from Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Science, and also worked as professor in Head Department of Pathology and Microbiology, SPI DMS Lucknow, having teaching experience of 30 years. So present time, he is still professor at Hind Institute of Medical Science in Lucknow. He is running Nivaran Diagnostic Center in Lucknow last 25 years. So you all are requested to get associated with us, and we will give quality and quickness, which is our motto, quality and quickness. Good reports under the presence of a super specialist doctor, and quickness, same day report is given of all the segment. Thank you.